Finding these days is so many people have trouble with sleep, and the other thing is anxiety. When I get those intake packages from our patients, the thing that bothers me a lot is the fact that so many people suffer from depression and anxiety today, even young people. I would really say 60% of the patients I'm seeing, they mark off that they are suffering from anxiety, panic attacks, depression. It's really become an epidemic, and you start wondering why, and there's so many reasons for it. I can tell you one of the reasons that we definitely have noted as chiropractors is posture. Our posture, our structure affects our function. We have to understand that. So when our posture is off, when we start slouching and our head goes forward because we're on the computer all the time, we're on cell phones or video games from a young age, what's happening is you're actually creating a lot of stress hormone production in the body. Stress is increasing because of the poor posture we're having. It's actually creating a bad signal from the spine to the brain. And the brain starts to go haywire. It actually starts to spit out a lot of stress hormone. And with that comes more anxiety. Certainly with the poor posture and rounding shoulders, our ribs as well can't expand fully, so we're getting less oxygen. Clearly, if you're starting to get less oxygen, what happens? You start to hyperventilate. So you get more panic attacks, more anxiety. And so you're having less lung capacity, you're not going to feel as relaxed. So because of the oxygen decrease, also because of the increased stress production from the poor posture, these are the reasons people have more anxiety these days and stress. Now, how do we improve our posture? And especially when it comes to things like this forward head carriage or, maybe a tilted neck where we're again having too much stress in our neck. You'll want to give it the right support firstly. There needs to be posture aids, things to improve the posture, improve your alignment. One of those assisted devices definitely is a cervical pillow. A good quality orthopedic pillow that's going to give your neck curve the right support so it maintains its shape. So many people these days, because of the forward head carriage, are losing the shape of their neck. Their neck was more straight. And we see this more and more in x-rays. In fact, when I first graduated 25 years ago, I would x-ray my patients, and rarely would we see a straightening of the neck. It would happen more in middle age or as a precursor to arthritis itself, so it happens later in life. But these days when I x-ray people, I'm surprised if actually they have a normal shaped neck. That's actually a rarity. Believe it or not, it's turned to that degree. Now even young people, teenagers, students, they're having straightening of the neck because of this abnormal, poor posture and ergonomics we're keeping. So we need to support the neck. We need to do things to maintain that curvature in the neck. Because when you have a straightening of the neck, there's too much stress being produced in the body, as I mentioned. There's definitely a poor signal to the brain, and the brain starts to not produce the right hormones, the neurotransmitters, and there's certainly more stress hormone production. So, using a cervical pillow. Now, we like to endorse this one. It's called a ChiroFlow, and we sell this in our clinics. We endorse this because it's researched. It has it has the ability, because it's a water-based pillow, it has compartments to it, so there's a water pouch in it. You can add water, take away water, using this funnel here, and you can shape it and size it to your dimensions. So that if you're a side sleeper, for example, you can actually fill it so that it fills in this exact space, your head stays straight. If it's too much water, your head will tilt one way. If it's too little, go one way. So you can actually adapt it so that it's fully holding you in a straight position. That's going to give you the ideal support. It's also a memory foam, so it's going to give you that comfort and that support and manage and contour to the curves of your neck. So it's going to give you the right support. It's going to help keep your alignment proper. And that's what we want to do. We want to promote that. That will decrease stress through your body, which then of course will mean less anxiety. It will of course mean better quality of sleep, more rejuvenation, and better health overall. So believe it or not, our pillow can do all that for us. It's not just about the comfort, it's about the health benefits you can get by supporting the curves of your neck. So this month is a great chance to do this. Get this for yourself, get it for your family, your friends. It's a great Christmas gift for sure. Give people the gift of health. For Black Friday this whole month, which we're celebrating here at IHG at all our clinics, you can get this water pillow for $95. no tax. Because we're a medical clinic, you can get no tax. And normally the cost of this is $120. So there's significant savings, and again, no tax. So a great chance to pick it up. If you don't have it already, I would say pick it up. It's good for everybody. If you have any questions about it, do ask us. Do ask any of our practitioners in the clinics. We're happy to talk to you about it and see what the right solution is for you, for your neck health, for your spinal health, and overall to decrease anxiety and decrease stress. Look forward to serving you.